Hi students, welcome to Garu Smart channel. Today we are going to come second day, that is real numbers top 15 models. Yesterday we completed the concept, today top 15 models, and tomorrow sets concept. So if you like this video, just like, and if you want to share, you can share. So we don't want to waste the time, and we go to the class. Top 15 models. If log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.4771, then the log 15 plus log 2 is how much? So see here, log a plus log b, we know very well log ab. So that is log 15 into 2. So log 15 into 2 is nothing but log 30. So this can be written as log 3 into 10. So again this can be written as log 3 plus log 10. So log 10 means log 10 base 10, that is here base 10. So log 3 value they have given 0.4771 plus 1, that is equal to 1.4771. So 1.4771 is the second option. So here my main concept is, so whatever it may be, it is Polytechnic or IIT or IIIT, whatever it may be, so we have to do the sum beside the sum only. We should not again write in the rough work or last page of the rough work. So we have to write the beside sum only, we have to write the solution. That is the main concept. My goal is, now if 3 power x plus 3 is equal to 9 power x plus 1, then find the x value. See here, this can be written as 3 square. So 3 square means 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2, that is equal to x plus 3. If bases are equal, then powers are equal, because 3 square means, so 2 into x, so 2 into 1. Now x bring this side and 2 bring this side, so x is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is the answer. Our answer is 1 and option is 4. So fourth option. The prime factorization of 20677 is, so the prime factorization are asking, so we should not do the column method or vertical method like that. So we have to do this one by options. By options we have to do. See here, units place 3 9s are 27, 27 2s are 54. So 54 in the units place 4 is there, but here 7 is there. So this is the wrong answer. Next, 9 3s are 27. So 25 and 5s are, so 5 7s are 35. So here units place is 5, but here 7. So this is also wrong answer. Next, 3 9s are 27, 27 here 1. So 27 1s are 27. So here units place is 7. So this is the right answer. So third option is the right answer. Like that, by options we can easily check the answers. Next, root over a plus b plus 2 into root ab they are asking. Now you can write this one as root a whole square root b whole square plus 2ab, means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but a plus b whole square. So this can be written as root over root a plus root b whole square. So square and root will get cancelled. So answer root a plus root b. So in the 4 options, root a plus root b is the fourth option. Next, the LCM of a and 18 is 36. HCF of a and 18 is 2, then a value. Here we have to go for options. So using options we have to go. If you take a is 2, so 2 comma 18. So if you take 2 comma 18, so 2 comma 18 LCM is 18. But they are saying 36. So first option is wrong. So if you take 16, 16 and 18 LCM is not 36. So this is also wrong answer. If you take 4, 4 comma 18, so LCM is 36. LCM is 36. Again, HCF will take 4 4s are 16, so 2, so 4, 2 2s are 4, so 2. See here, 4 comma 18 HCF is 2, they are saying we are getting answer 2, and 4 comma 8 LCM is 36, because 4 comma 18 we know very well, 2 2s are 2 9s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So answer fourth. The fourth answer is the 4 and option is the third one. Next, LCM of log 8 base 2 and log 16 base 2 is, here log 8 means 2 cubed, so that is 3. Here log 16 means 2 to the power of 4, that is 4. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So option 1. If 2 into log x base y is equal to 6, then the relation between x and y. So see here, 2 is multiplying. If you bring to that side, it is dividing. Then Log x base y is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So log x base y is equal to 3. So we know very well x is equal to y cube. If log n base is equal to x, then x is equal to a power n. A power n. Using that formula, x is equal to y power 3. So fourth option. Next, log 8 27 base 2 by 3 plus log 27 base 8 base 2 by 3 is equal to. See, this can be written as log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3 minus, so see here, okay, plus I will say again, this can be written as log 3 by 2 whole cube base 2 by 3. So if you make interchange a and b, then it will be minus. So if you take this one 2 by 3, then it will be minus. So here plus 3, here minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. Answer 0. That is second option. Next, the mean of the first 5 prime numbers is, already I have given the previous lesson, previous class, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7 like that. So first prime numbers 2 plus, 3 plus, 5 plus, 7 plus, 11 by 5. 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 10, 17, 18, 28. So 28 by 5. That is equal to 5.6. So 5.6 is the third option. Next, log 64 base root 2. Log 64 base 2. You have to write in the 2 powers only. Everything you have to write in the base 2 powers. Log 2 power 6, 2 power 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 by 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. 6 2s are 12. So second option. Next, log 0.01 base 10. So log 0.01 means that is 1 by 100 square, 1 by 100. So we can write log 1 by 100 base 10, that is equal to log 10 power minus 2 base 10, that is equal to minus 2. So second option. So that is the second option. Next, number of 2-digit numbers divided by 3. Number of 2-digit numbers divided by 3. See here, 2-digit numbers means highest number is 99 and least number is 10. So if you subtract 99 minus 10 means that is 90. So this 90 is divided by 3 means 3 ones are 3 30s are. So answer is 30. Third option. Because from 1 to 100, 99. So 2-digit numbers are 10, 11, 12 like that 99. So that 99 minus 10 if you do, then 90 will you get. So you will get 90. Sorry, 9. So 9 minus 9, 0 and 9 minus 9. So 9. 9 minus 0, 9. So 90 by 3 means 3 ones are 3, that is answer 30. The product of two numbers is 30, then the SCF is 5, then LCM. I already told SCF into LCM is equal to A into B. So we want LCM. L into H is equal to A into B. So already A into B they have given 30. So L into 5 is equal to 30. L is equal to 30 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja. So answer 6. Second option. So LCM of two fractions they are giving. LCM of two fractions means LCM of numerators by SCF of denominators. So LCM of numerators is 9 is the LCM, and SCF of denominators is 7. So answer 9 by 7, because 9 comma 3 LCM what 9, 14 comma 7 SCF what 7. So 9 by 7 is the answer. And if A is equal to B square is equal to C cube, then log AB base C is how much? See here, if you think this as is equal to K, then A is equal to K, B square is equal to K, then B is equal to K power 1 by 2, C cube is equal to K, then C is equal to K power 1 by 3. Now what they are asking, log AB, A value is K power 1 and K power 1 by 2. C means K power 1 by 3. So log here 3 by 2, K power 3 by 2 and K power 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 by 1 by 3. So 3 is coming that side means 9 by 2 is the answer. So 9 by 2 is the second option. So like this, beside only we can do the problems, all problems. This is the topmost 15 models. Still I am going to give more and more models, that is called G-Smart Grand Test, G-Smart model papers. So like that I will prepare and I will explain on paper. And also this today grand test will be the second grand test. You just click on the link and get 20 out of 20 and send me a screenshot to my number. Who will get 20 out of 20? Those names will be in the tomorrow next video. How many times you want to write, that many times you can get the exam. So all the best my dear students. If you like this video, you like it. If you want to share it, you can share it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.